Okay, today we will be discussing the model of the human behavior. The behavior of individual is caused by a number of variables. So we will be studying those variables that affects the behavior of a particular individual. To identify the major variables and to show how they are related to each other, the two models are SR model as well as SOBC model. We will discuss by one. The SNR model is basically the stimulus and the response model. This model says that human behaviors are of two types, the internal feeling as well as the external environment. Internal feeling means the feeling that individual internally feels related to his motivational factors, whereas the external environment, which is called the stimulus, which directly influences the activities of the individual. So, according to the SR model, the behavior is determined by the stimulus. The stimulus, that is the external environment that affects the organism, that is the force determines the behavior of a person at any movement. And you can directly say that there is a direct relationship between the stimulus and the response. Whatever the input, that is the stimulus, that is the output that the organism has. The limitation of this model is that organism or the persons are immobile and passive. They are actually passive individuals, whereas in reality the person concerned play an important role in the behavior, which is being influenced by the internal feelings of the person. This model does not give a complete picture as to what causes the person to act in a particular situation. So these are the limitations of this model. Then you talk about SOBC model, that stands for the stimulus, that is the external environment, the organism, that is the physical being that is being including the process within the individual, that is hereditary, maturity, knowledge, skills, value, perceptions and motivation among the individual. The behavior that the individual has, the facial expressions, the emotions, sentiments, thinking, whatever it is, the behavior is something that the person does, and according to the behavior, what are the actual consequences of the behavior of the individual, and then there is a feedback. So this is the SOBC model. So when you can see that the behavior is being influenced by the interaction of S and O. So definitely if there is any change in S or O, that would influence the behavior of the particular individual. Same behavior have different causes.